Memorial Day weekend. Alright, well here we go again. It's Memorial Day weekend. We're going to go to Kings Island again. This is going to be kind of a big one. In a previous video, we talked about the friend discount. So we're going to talk about that again, and we're going to bring some of my co-workers with me. We're going to show you exactly how that works out at Kings Island. So just to kind of give you guys a little bit of a refresher, remember, if you have kids, these push wagons are absolutely phenomenal. They'll fit about 2 or 3 kids depending on, the workload. And always bring yourself a backpack. Backpacks are great for, hiding any kind of merchandise that you don't want other prying eyes to see. Also, you can fit a lot of stuff in there that you might want to use for later on in the day, like towels, swimming suits, or in other cases as well, water bottles or other kind of stuff that you want to bring with you as well. So with it being Memorial Day weekend, Saturday, Kings Island is going to go ahead and open up their pools. It's going to be about a crisp 71 degrees out, mostly sunny. We're going to maybe test the waters. We're going to go ahead and bring our swim trunks with us underneath our regular clothes. And if the day ends up faring be pretty fine, we'll go ahead and get on the train, make our way to the water park, and we'll go ahead and see how that works out. So like I said, we've got our wagon, we've got our bag, we've got everything we need. We're all packed up, ready to go. And now we're going to get on the road and go meet some of my friends, and we're going to get them in the park as well with our friend discount. Let's go. Alright guys, we're on our way to Kings Island. Here we go. It's going to be a full day of fun. Let's rock. Woo! Alright guys.
What's up?
This is my pal Owen. He's going to be one of the friends we're bringing today.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Using the friend discount. Let's rock and roll.
Wife is apparently chopped liver.
Yeah. Oh, and that's Bailey. Let's rock and roll. You guys excited?
Yeah. Woo! Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm tired.
So excited you're tired. You made it.
Heck yeah, I'm glad to be here.
Yeah?
We're gonna have a good time.
Yeah? When Malachi called me, he said that it didn't look packed, but I beg to differ.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
We're going to show you how the friend thing works. We're going to get these two in for free today. Yep. Taking the free ride. Right, Owen?
I don't know why it goes down on the road. And I also have 2 bring your friend free ones.
Guys, what's up? Here's my other pal Malachi, obviously noticeably taller than me. Him and his fiance both have gold passes. What do you think of them so far?
They're awesome. I love them. Get them every year, except for the food pass. It's very important.
Heck yeah.
You'll never leave hungry.
All right, let's get a photo together. All right, we're gonna try to fit this big guy on Woodstock Express. Let's go. Happy birthday, Blue Blasters. Shoot it!
Shoot what?
Shoot it off! like it? Yeah. Just say we got somebody who approves the push wagon. Owen, time to get one.
Bio.
Link in the bio. All right, let's see if you're tall enough. Boom. You ready? High five. Yeah. You ready to ride Snoopy's airmail?
No.
Is that what it's called?
I'm so excited.
Airmail. How excited are you?
I'm so excited.
Ready for this ride?
Yeah.
Yeah? You don't look ready. Are you scared?
No.
You sure? Malachi's scared. Hanging out with the big kids.
I hate it.
Yeah? You loved
It's
it.
very nice.
You got to ride some big rides, right?
No.
Yeah.
No.
What do you think, Owen? What do you think about hanging out
The
with big
ride
kids?
was awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You feel like a big kid?
I feel like a big kid.
I think I'm a big kid though.
Racer?
Kinda.
Kinda. You love the racer.
Yeah, but
They fixed that, right?
I don't know.
Elena, what happened the last time I was on a wooden roller coaster?
At Cedar Point, your key card flew out and somebody caught it.
Somebody caught it right behind us.
Yeah.
So,
No, it wasn't right behind us.
yeah, they were right behind us. So remember, guys, always keep your stuff secure.
Yes.
Elena?
Yes.
Rock racer.
It was extra fast. They definitely fixed it, and it was fun.
A lot of fun. Lots of fun. Elena, we're getting on the ride. Adventure Express.
Yes. I forgot.
What's it called?
Adventure
Express.
Express.
Let's go. Please, Malachi.
Splish splash. I jumped back.
Let's see what you got, Elena.
Pants off. Show what you got. And flapping like
There it is. Oh, wow. Look at
I think
that.
that's actually what you're supposed to do to describe it.
Describe that animal.
It lives in the ocean.
A dolphin, whale,
How big is it?
a seahorse.
It's delicious.
Fish?
What is it? What is it?
A dog?
Okay, don't.
What does a...
No, it's
A fox.
Yes. Hey, Malachi. Malachi.
Petting its mane.
You doing a princess wave?
which makes us roughly 3 times smaller than the one in Paris, France. So I'm going to be taking you guys up to our 275-foot platform. A few rules when we're up here. Absolutely no eating, drinking, smoking, or running on the platform. It is also against Ohio state law to kick, spit, or anything off this platform. If you guys have any questions,
Ready for the train ride?
Yes.
Elena, Alyssa, ready for the train ride? Yeah. Alright, we're about ready to take off on the train. Train ride's a good way to relax your feet. It's a good way to get to the water park as well. Let's go.
Mystic Timbers, Blue Orange and Green since 2017, that's why we call it the mystery. But so when the engine up front, by hand fixing it off. Until then, the train can move at any time. The fleet remains seated. Thank you.
Oh, how's your ice cream?
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Best blue ice cream in the world.
Alright everybody, we're over here at Enrique's eating some Chipotle rolls. Very good stuff. Last one, Elena. Here we go. Alright everybody, we had a pretty good time at Kings Island. So until next time, please like and subscribe and keep
Chasing your dreams.
Green.
Alright.
Don't like